The problem with suppressing material is there's always a question about what is one suppressing. And Priti Patel has suppressed material, documentation that should be used for the inquiry, for the legal inquiry at the moment that is going to be undertaken into the death of Dawn Sturgis, who died on the 8th of July 2018, that's shortly after the assassination attempt on the Skripals. And Dawn Sturgis was an accidental casualty, a casualty of an assassination attempt carried out by those two twits who thought that they could get away with an explanation that they were going to see a tower, a spire in Salisbury that was particularly big. It doesn't wash with me. And similarly, this was the beginning, or this was a continuation, if we think of Litvinenko, of a campaign of intimidation and predatory activity by Putin on our territory. And why would Priti Patel hide information, particularly as we now know that some of the information that will have to be looked at is so sensitive that the court will have to sit in camera without any observation, in secret? So why are there particular documents being hidden? And of course the question has to be asked, what has Priti Patel got to hide? Because apparently she hid these documents without taking advice from anybody else. So what great secrets does Priti Patel have to suppress? Is it something else that she's done that's dodgy, like bullying? I don't know. But at the moment, do we have confidence in her judgment? Would we have confidence in the judgment of Suella Braverman? No. And yet they have such power, greater power than the courts, greater power than anybody else in the country, somebody who can suppress information from the courts. Extraordinary. Quite extraordinary. And of course it cheapens the national debate against Mr. Putin when important information is being hidden.